How we doing, guys? Back on to pattern details. We're continuing with Yul Gok Hyeung. Next little bit, it has a little bite of controversy about it because our pattern system is effectively derived from ITF Taekwondo, but both me and the chief instructor, we learned a system called EKKA, which you can look up on, Google it, figure it out. And we have differences in patterns because EKKA essentially had ITF Taekwondo patterns, but they did it with a Wad Ryu twist lilt to them. It's just how we learnt them. Yeah, we didn't make this syllabus up, we didn't make them up like this, but we're also not an ITF club. So our patterns stayed the same when we open our own thing, doing our own thing, loving doing our own thing. Okay, we're just a little bit different. Okay, so do bear that in mind. Okay. Most of what we have in our patterns is the same. It's the same as the same as the same. You do notice that we don't have waveform, we don't bounce up and down, and we have quite long stances-ish, okay, but we're not, silly with them, okay? Little things, okay? Yeah, we're not changing them to be performance katas or anything like that, okay? You also notice we call our stuff Hyung, same as Taekwondo, and we don't call them Tul, the same as ITF. Okay, this is the detail. Okay, when we do Yul Gok Hyeung, all our beginning stuff, ba ba bam, ba ba bam, all of this is the same. That was in the last video. Hope you kept up with it. Hope you've seen it. Okay. The next bit we have an in, out, hand on shoulder here. Okay, we have a straight wrist. Okay, and it is pressured, it's a press. That's the controversial bit, okay, for us anyway, okay? So when we do that, we come in, come out, and it goes 1, 2, 3. Then we change, 1, 2, 3, punch, okay, and then we step. Do it again, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, punch, yeah. If you look at ITF guys when they do this, it is not, okay? They come in and they go hook, it's a hooked wrist, hooked fingers at the end, I see a lot of them doing as well. Here, here, punch, okay? 1, 2, punch. We are not, okay? We are not an ITF club, so that means we do not have it that way, okay? That is just the way it was taught to us, okay? We were taught it this way with these presses, okay? We kind of like them, so we're keeping them, okay? Relax, okay? But we come in, go out, on top, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, punch. Then we step, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, punch, okay? This is in the first patterns we have where we have, again, how it was taught to us was they call it dynamic tension, or you could just call it a press. I always like just calling it a press, it makes more sense to me. Okay, but that's what we got. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, steppy step. 1, 2, 3. You need to go out. 1, 2, bam, bam. Opposite side, here, kick. 1, 2, and then here. Yeah, in your head. 1, 2. You don't count out loud, obviously. 1, 3, punch, and then repeat. Left hand, right hand, punch. Okay? For the people copying this, notice it is right foot in, right foot out, and it stays there for my right hand, the left hand, and the punch. And then there's a single step, and you repeat the entire combination. 1, 2, punch. Okay? Easy peasy. Okay? But yeah, if people that spot this, that are ITF guys, yes, we are different from you guys. Don't panic about it. Okay? You do you, we'll do us. Okay? For our guys, make sure you'll be nice and controlled. Yeah, when we do these presses, they go 1, 2, 3. They do not go 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's not like really tense and then snap. Okay, it's got to be nice and steady movement. It's got to be the same from start to finish in terms of speed. It doesn't start slow and then get faster. It doesn't go, oh, I remember. Yeah, It is a steady pace from start to finish. Only takes about 3 seconds in your head. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. You can count Mississippis or hippopotamuses. Hippopotami, I don't know. If you really want. Okay, but in, out. 1, 2, 3. Change. 1, 2, 3. Punch. Then you take your step, rinse and repeat. Left, right punch. Okay? That's the detail for today. Enjoy.